Oh, he's back. If this phone wasn't so trash and had a better camera, you'd see he's got something in his mouth. I don't know what he's trying to swallow or do or what. Look at him. Weird little dude. His little roof buddy's not here today, but... Hey, mate. Thinking goes, Kookaburra sits in the old gum tree, dude. He just should be over there. That Kookaburra sits on the old wood fence. He keeps sweeping down to eat something. I don't know what he's eating. He's got something in his mouth, but oh, now he doesn't. He's fat, but he keeps hooking into something. We go guard or something. There's foreigners on our fence. Go deal with it, man. No border control at all in this place. Is it Smoko, is that? And he's looking at me like, yeah, I don't care. I don't have a permit. I'm sitting here anyway. Social Security doesn't care.